Hello friends, how are you? Are you sick and tired of only learning about the latest and greatest strategies to generate an online income when it's already too late? Secrets revealed. Discover how two average guys generated over $700,000 in 12 months with zero ecom experience. Straight to the point manual and video training reveals what's working with physical products now. Learn the secret strategies that the gurus will never share with you. Discover why Facebook is the last place you should try to get sales this year. How we learned to zig when everyone else zagged. Our number one traffic source that every guru is ignoring. Why AliExpress is dead and you should avoid it like the plague. Our secret suppliers that give us access to the best products on the market. Let us peel back the curtain on our best kept e-com secrets. Dear frustrated internet entrepreneur. On this page I want to help you finally overcome the problem faced by brand new, struggling internet marketers everywhere. How do we make sure that we can build a stable, full-time income? I can tell you right now the answer is. You need to discover what's working before everyone else. And you can do this, by doing the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Read on to learn how we have gone from zero to over $700,000 in just 12 months. The training we are about to reveal to you is going to help you finally build a stable income online. This is like nothing you have ever seen before. We are literally teaching the opposite of every e-com and physical product guru out there. On this page I am going to reveal to you how you can get your hands on those secrets. The secrets strategies that we have developed after spending tens of thousands of dollars on traffic and thousands of hours of trying, failing and finally succeeding. So you don't have to. We will also show you how you can get access to these secrets for less than the price of lunch and how these exact strategies have meant while everybody else is closing the doors to their physical product businesses we are doing better than ever. For a very limited time we are offering access to these secrets for a massive discount. Before we go any further, please allow me to introduce myself. My name is Simon Greenhelg and my partner is Kevin Byrne. That's us below. But why should you care who we are? Well, Kevin and I have worked full-time online for around 8 years and between us we have generated over $4 million and have sold pretty much everything you can think of. We have sold software, training products, sneakers, bags, watches, wallets, insurance, loans and everything in between. For the last 2 years though we have been very heavily involved in the e-com and physical product world. We have built businesses that can run from home, offices, have staff, dropship and can be automated to bring in more than 6 figures a month in sales. We have also taught our systems and strategies to dozens of people just like you. Many of our students started with no experience at all and now have businesses that they run from home with a few hours work a week generating very high 5 figures a month. But, it wasn't always that way, and we have even seen huge problems very recently. Just a few short years ago we were both struggling with our online income and I was days away from losing my family home before I cracked the code. The biggest problem with trying to generate a full-time income online that can replace a job or support you after retirement is unpredictability. I am sure you can relate to this, because we sure can. You spend hundreds or thousands of dollars on the latest online business strategy and you start to see some success, you make a few sales here and there. And then bam! It stops working and your sales dry up to nothing. Why is this? I can tell you right now that the number one reason that systems stop working is saturation. Over the last 2 years every Tom, Dick and Jane have decided to go it alone and generate an income online. One of the most popular methods has been selling physical products such as t-shirts or scouring AliExpress for the hottest products and hoping they explode with Facebook ads. These strategies are dying. Physical product sellers are closing their doors in record numbers as the cost of advertising on Facebook is going through the roof while customers are getting tired of poor quality products and very long shipping times from China. Our sales started to slow and our businesses that we worked hard to build were dying before our eyes. We knew we had to think of something fast. Everybody we talked to was having the exact same issues as us. And people who are just starting out today have absolutely zero chance of making it following these old, tired strategies. If you want to stand out today, you have to do the opposite of everyone else. And that's exactly what we did. When everyone else was fighting over scraps on AliExpress we went out and found the best suppliers on the planet that have the best products that nobody else was using. We couldn't believe it. And the best part, these suppliers can never get saturated because the best suppliers continue to innovate and bring out brand new products on a regular basis. But, that wasn't the end of our struggle. Our main traffic source, Facebook, was giving us all hell. So, instead of flushing thousands of dollars down the drain trying to dream up the next smash hit ad campaign and like everybody else, getting nowhere, we made a switch. And that switch has literally exploded our online businesses and meant that we no longer have to follow the crowd into the pits of business hell. And the secrets that we learned during that time are working like crazy today and will work like crazy forever. Those secrets have helped us see days over $5,000 and many months over $100,000. And for the very first time we are peeling back the curtain and teaching you the biggest lessons we have learned. Introducing. And for a limited time we are including free video training to accompany the manual. Whether you enjoy reading or watching videos, we have you covered. We will show you exactly what is working for us right now and what will continue to work forever. This is not some rehashed content that you can get from anywhere else. In fact, the gurus are teaching you the exact opposite, as we have already seen on this page. These secrets are like nothing you have ever seen before, and we have spent tens of thousands of dollars to learn these strategies so you don't have to. What exactly will you learn? The top 10 lessons we learned by wasting tens of thousands of dollars on Facebook advertising. The number one traffic source we now use every day that is putting us streets ahead of our competition. Our most secret suppliers that provide us with a steady stream of brand new products that nobody else is selling online, full list included for you. How we make sales every day of products that make us more than $300 on each and every sale and why everybody else is ignoring this. Discover the top apps we use to explode our sales. One app generated over $55,000 in extra sales in just 2 months. How to make sure you do not get shut down by PayPal the moment you start seeing big success. The secret tricks we use to ensure people can't help but buy. How we use a massive website to guarantee we will be successful before we even start work. Who is this for? This ebook and video package is for anybody that is struggling to generate a full-time income online. Maybe you have already seen the odd sell here and there only to see it dwindle to nothing when something changes. If you have wasted hundreds or thousands of dollars on training and courses or the latest, greatest shiny software and you still can't crack the code of building an online business, then this is for you. Who is this not for? Are already generating a stable income online you can rely on. Have built physical product businesses that are thriving today. Are continuing to see huge success with Facebook ads. Know where to find the hottest products to sell online. Then this is definitely not for you. So, what is this training package worth to you? Well, it's difficult to put an exact price on the value of ecom secrets because the information that is inside has cost us tens of thousands of dollars and thousands of hours of work to learn. So, in theory the value is almost priceless. But, let's say you take a short amount of time to go through the strategies and you spend just a few hours a month putting them to use. And that business then brought you in an extra few $100s a month. That's thousands of dollars a year. Now, imagine if you took the strategies and perfected them and put them into practice for a few hours a week or even a few hours a day. Imagine the income that could be generated. So, what is ecom secrets going to cost? Is there a guarantee? You better believe it. We want you to be 100% happy with your purchase, so we are removing all the risk today. Simply go through the training and put it into practice. If you do not see amazing results, then send us a quick email and we will refund every penny instantly. We have decided to open up the doors to ecom secrets in just 5 days. And during that time the price will be the lowest price you are ever going to see. The price will slowly rise, and once the 5 days are over we close the doors on ecom secrets forever. This will make sure our suppliers did not get overwhelmed with new vendors. This is a rare opportunity to get inside the mind of successful physical product sellers and see what is working right now. Do not pass up this chance, because when this page closes, it closes forever. We are the only people in the world teaching these strategies. You will not see this information in any other course. Simply click the buy button and snap up ecom secrets before the doors close. We have been exactly where you are now, and we know the pain of not knowing where the next sale will come from, or how the rent will be paid this month. This training is going to help you understand the strategies that helped our businesses thrive when everyone around us is failing. We have already put all the hard work in, so you don't have to. Skipping this offer today is going to mean following the same old strategies that are destroying people's livelihoods right now. Do not make the same mistake as everybody else. Take action today. Thanks for reading this page, Kevin, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area. Hurry up. If you are watching till now, then you are interested. Why don't you take action? We have given link in description. Check out this amazing opportunity before you miss. Thanks for watching. Like and share must.